Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll enable the emoji input so you can call it instantly. On Windows, press Windows+. Now to open the panel, on Mac OS use Control-Command-Space. If your OS needs an input method, add it in Settings right arrow keyboard and enable the emoji or symbols entry. Once done, set or memorize the shortcut for quick access. This saves time and avoids copying from web pages. It also ensures emojis match your system's font and color style when you'll learn to search and modify emojis quickly. Open the panel, then type a clear keyword like smile or coffee to filter results. This is faster than scrolling. Once you see an emoji, use arrow keys to navigate and enter to insert. On touch, you can tap and drag into some apps. Use long press or right-click to select skin tones and gender variants when available, because that ensures your emoji matches intent and context without extra edits. You'll finish by using emojis correctly across apps and handling issues. Paste or insert emojis into chat, email, docs, and social apps. Make sure the recipient's platform supports color emoji, since older programs may show monochrome or empty boxes. If an emoji won't appear, update your OS and system fonts, or use the app's built-in picker, which may supply its own set. If problems persist, export a small PNG emoji image as a fallback, so your message preserves visual intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.